Many of you started your careers in upstream or working on upstream projects. Many of you are in midstream and downstream. And we're going to dig into that this morning and over the next couple of days. And what I want you to pay attention to is the breadth of application that's being demonstrated. It is truly remarkable how far we've come. You know, as companies have really begun to realize how important spatial analysis is, not only in upstream and midstream, but it's also important on surface assets such as in refining, real estate, and retail. But what's next? You know, as we diversify into renewables, so many of the workflows are on the surface. And you're going to see GIS professionals applying their skills, maybe skills they learned in upstream or midstream, but they're applying them to those new energy sources across the enterprise and again to these new energy sources. So I really want to reiterate that and put emphasis on it that you as GIS professionals, your skills are so applicable in this new energy space. Now, GIS is also evolving as a technology, and we're going to discuss that. You are leveraging real-time information and IoT data, bringing it into your system as a core component of your system. You're leveraging Arcgis as a complete imagery and remote sensing platform. And we're enhancing our AI and ML tools to act upon that real-time data, to act upon that remote sensing data. Of course, there's numerous other capabilities that we're advancing, and you're going to see those applied to real-world cases. Now, I want to take a second and talk to you about the sessions that we're going to cover today so that you can determine which ones you want to make a priority. In operations, you all are striving for efficiency. You're looking to increase productivity, and you're looking to do it safety. Safety is paramount. Now, Tep Barnett is going to show us through mapping and visualization how they're able to view well performance over time, a really unique way to help support their reservoir engineers. And Apache Corporation is leveraging real-time information with routing capabilities to drive operational efficiency. And Repsol is delivering business value through situational awareness. Now in pipeline, you're looking to modernize that system of record, continue to collaborate across the enterprise, and create additional value. OneOak is going to show us how they're leveraging real-time weather information along with worker location to improve worker safety. In Boardwalk Pipelines, they're leveraging their portal implementation to share location intelligence across the enterprise to various stakeholders. Now in downstream, we're focusing on applying location intelligence across the entire value chain. This includes facilities management, logistics, real estate, and retail. OMV is reinventing planning turnaround in context of their digital twin aspirations. And ExxonMobil is taking a unique and innovative approach to unlock the value of their real estate portfolio. And at the same time, they're tackling offshore decommissioning. And then we're going to hear from Shell about how they're reinventing and expanding their approach to retail. In corporate social responsibility and HSE, you're continuing to put in additional preventative measures. You're enhancing preparedness, and we're all striving for sustainability. Oxy is going to take us on their journey to becoming a carbon neutral company. And in HSE, we're going to look at a couple of examples, one being BP and their efforts to transform from a paper-based response plan to one that's digital. In any case, these organizations are leveraging technology to address today's challenges. And we're going to take a dedicated look at renewables. We're going to look at wind, solar, and geothermal. You'll see many examples, some you may be familiar with and others that you want. You'll hear from Ørsted and how they've pivoted from an E&P company to a completely renewable energy portfolio in just 10 short years. And then you'll hear from Enel and how they're leveraging real-time information with automated processes to increase efficiency. Now I want to pause here for a second. I talked to you about the sessions. Your work is impressive. It's evidenced by those sessions and the users that are going to present. I want you to take note and look at this screen and the sessions that we have for you today and over the next 2 days. Mark down the ones that are important to you and that you can learn and gain benefit from. I urge you to attend those sessions. Now, GIS is providing us this framework. It's allowing us to manage our data, to map and visualize it, as an example with TEP Barnett. Many of you are analyzing and modeling, planning and design, which ultimately leads to decision making. And with that decision making, it allows you to take effective and swift action. Now, ArcGIS is the technology at the foundation of this. And with ArcGIS, you can create a geospatial infrastructure to support you and your organization. So, what is a geospatial infrastructure? It's really just the modern GIS implementation, being able to interconnect distributed geospatial services, disparate services, bring all that information together for a more holistic view. It's also sometimes described as an architecture that supports individuals, it supports teams, departments, and even entire organizations, really to work more effectively.